Hi everyone, myself Vasant Reddy from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and in this video I would like to explain about the principles set out in the business charter for sustainable production. Now let's know the contents covered in this video. Introduction: what is the business charter? Why is sustainable production important? Principles set out in business charter for sustainable production, and finally conclusion. Coming to the introduction, sustainable production is the key to achieving long term success in any business. By upholding the principles of the business charter, companies can ensure that they are operating in a way that is both profitable and environmentally responsible. What is the business charter? The business charter is a set of principles that guide companies in their efforts to achieve sustainable production. These principles include reducing waste, using renewable resources, and minimizing implementation impact. Business cater for sustainable development. How to inspire and grow our business in the 21st century. Uh, why is sustainable production important? Sustainable production is important because it helps companies to reduce costs, minimize risk, and build a positive reputation with customers and stakeholders. By operating in a sustainable way, companies can also help to protect the environment and promote a more equitable society. Now, coming to the principles set out in Business Charter for Sustainable Production. Resource efficiency. The principle emphasizes the responsible use of natural resources. Businesses commit to minimizing waste and maximizing the efficiency of resource utilization in their production processes. Now, renewable energy adoption. Companies pledge to transition towards renewable energy sources to power their operations. This includes the use of solar, wind, hydro energy, and also other sustainable energy alternatives. Waste reduction and recycling. Businesses commit to reducing waste generation and implementing effective recycle programs. This principle promotes the circular economy by ensuring that materials are reused and recycled whenever possible. Sustainability principles. There are four principles in the sustainability. Coming to the first one, we take what nature replaces. The second one is we make what nature can process us. And the third one is we avoid breaking nature. And finally, the last one is we are equitable. Uh, Principles set out in Business Charter for Sustainable Production. Pollution prevention. Companies undertake measures to prevent pollution and minimize emissions of harmful substances into the environment. This includes air and water pollution as well as responsible handling of hazardous materials. Product lifestyle analysis. Firms conduct throughout assessments of their products entire life cycle from production to disposal. This helps to identify opportunities for improvement in terms of environmental impact. Supply chain sustainability. This principle emphasizes the importance of extending sustainable practices throughout the entire supply chain. Businesses work with suppliers and partners to ensure that sustainable practices are upheld at every stage of production. Biodiversity conservation. Companies commit to protecting and preventing biodiversity in their operational areas. This involves measures to safeguard natural habitats and ecosystems from harm or degradation. Principles set out in Business Charter for Sustainable Production. Employee welfare and well-being. The Charter promotes fair labor practices, including self-working conditions, uh, fair wages and opportunities for personal and professional development. This also includes promoting diversity and inclusion within the workforce. Community engagement and social responsibility. Businesses actively engage with local communities, and contribute positivity to society. This can include supporting local initiatives, providing employment opportunities, and participating in philanthropic efforts. Transparency and accountability. Companies commit to being transparent about their sustainability efforts. This includes disclosing relevant information about their environmental and social performance, as well as setting measurable targets and reporting progresses. Coming to the conclusion. In conclusion, sustainable production is essential for companies that want to achieve long term success while also promoting social and environmental responsibility. By upholding the principles of the business charter and following best practices, companies can position themselves for a sustainable future. Thank you.